Okay, Merry Christmas. This is 20 to 29 pounds of pig. Lechon, 20 to 29. Merry Christmas. So, Merry Christmas sa ating lahat. Yan. Katawan niya maliit. 3 inches lang o 4. Okay, Merry Christmas 2022. Merry Christmas. This is 70 to 75 pounds of pork. Okay, 70 to 75 pounds. Merry Christmas 2022. 70 to 75 pounds. Pig. Hindi kayo mag-gym. Ayos, Merry Christmas. Okay, ito yung pang-apat na lechon. Merry Christmas, size 40 to 49 pounds. Merry Christmas 2022. Pang-apat na lechon, 40 to 49 pounds. Kabuhay. Aha. 40 to 49 pounds. Merry Christmas. Okay. Merry Christmas. Ito yung pang-lima. Ang lechon natin yun. Pang-limang lechon. Iloco. Ito ay 30 to 39 pounds. Magpapahinga na rin tayo. Okay, masok pa. Pang-limang lechon. Iloco. Ito ay pang-7 lechon. Christmas month ito. Merry Christmas. 20 to 29 pounds. Christmas 2022, pang-7 na lechon. Okay, December 25, pangalawang araw na. Ito ay 50 to 59 pounds. Ito ating lechon. Medyo may mga sunog-sunog, pero goods pa rin yan. Ayun. Okay. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. This is the 8th lechon. The last one and I'm done. Pang-walong lechon, Merry Christmas 2022. This is 30 to 39 pounds. Tamaan siya. Okay lang. Tamaan tayo. Kahit mumukha. Okay. December 31, New Year na yun. Ating first batch. December 31. Belly. Masarap na. So, pwede natin yung pwede na ito. Let's go. Box natin. Okay. December 31, New Year na yun. First batch. December 31. Belly. Masarap na. So, pwede natin yung pwede na ito. Let's go. Box natin. It's 9.5 pounds.
Roy, bakit walang laman ito? Roy, walang laman.
Lipo nyo ay 8.5 pounds. Okay? 8.5. Ready. Belly. 8.5.
Ano mag-answer nung Hawaiian law?
December 2nd, January 2nd, 2023 na. May pahabol pa tayo belly, bukas meron tayo ulit. So this Monday, January 2nd. Okay. 2023. Okay, ano po yung belly nyo? It's almost 10 pounds. So konti lang yung guhit niya. So almost 10 pounds po siya, 10 pounds. Okay, ready na po. 2023. Ano yung ating pinadapang lechon. Ready na yan. Pili po nyo ay 8.5 pounds. Okay, 8.5. Ready. Belly. 8.5. Yung pangalawa dito sa ating order ng Lechon 2023. Kahapon ay belly. So, yung mga previous na nagawa natin, din na natin na video ay live. So, busy. 14 to 20 to 29 pounds.